Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite channel, The Ancient Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss something exciting. Today, we are going to compare our modern science with the ancient technology. So this would be a blast. Let's begin with the video. Before I do proceed with the comparison, as I have said in the introduction, let me give you some basic idea about some terms, as these terms were not at all new for us. We have heard about these terms many times in our life, like time travelers, parallel universe, multiverse, time dilation, time machines, time travelers. These are not at all new terms for us. The great minds like the Einstein and Hawkins already had described a bit about this term with some theories, but they have not done any successful practical experiment. One word I can say, they could not even prove these terms practically. At present, these terms were theoretically possible for us, but practically it has not got proved yet. Today, we are equipped with modern technology. In modern world, we are much more organized and faster in completing any task. So we do have some leisure time as well as pleasure time in day-to-day life, just because of the advancement of technology, isn't it? Now, we are thinking of making machineries which could move to our past, as well as by using that machines we could move to the future. But till now we are thinking of making it, although as I have said, the great minds like Einstein and Hawkins has already given some theories about these terms. They have proposed some theories, but till now it has not got practically possible. We are thinking of it. In this modern world, till now it has not got completed. I am repeating it once again, it has not got completed yet. But what if I say you that our ancient people had already experienced, means they have already made this kind of machines at that time. As all of my videos I used to say that the ancient people had advanced or the very advanced technology. They were experts in every field, every sectors. In our modern world, whatever the technical advancement we got to see in movies, I must say that in Hollywood movies, our ancient people had already experienced that technology. They have already made that technology. Let me tell you that our ancient genius had the knowledge at that time that the time does not run in the same pattern in everywhere. Time has a pattern in Earth, in our planet, whether the pattern of the time gets changed if we move to any other planet, or if we move to the space also, the pattern of the time gets changed. Before we proceed further deep into the ancient technology, let me give some basic idea about some terms like parallel universe, time dilation, multiverse, time machines. So let me start with the time dilation concept first. Time dilation, as the name said, it's directly connected with time. The clock in the outer space moves more quickly than that of the clock of the earth. Yes, it is. Time moves in different way, in different planet, as already I have said. As all of you know, that earth takes 24 hours to complete one spin, whereas it takes about 25 hours for Mars to complete one spin. But if we talk about the Jupiter, it takes only 10 hours to complete one spin. And for the Saturn, it is 11 hours, and for Uranus, it is 17 hours. But Neptune takes 16 hours similarly to complete one spin. The space-time also has different patterns. So let me explain you regarding the space-time, the time pattern of the space with an example. Consider two persons named as A and B. Two persons does not have any difference in the date of birth or even the birth time. One of them, just consider A has been sent to the space, whereas B is kept on the earth to lead normal life. Hope it is clear to all of you that A has been sent to space and the B is kept on the earth to lead a normal life. After a certain time, when A came back to the earth, at that time, if we do compare the age of A and the age of B, we will find the age of A or the A will be much younger than that of B. Approximately, if you stay 1 hour in the space, then your age will be reduced by 7 years if we do compare with a person who is staying on earth. In simple word, 1 hour on space will be equivalent to the 7 years on earth. According to the theory of the great scientist Albert Einstein, that if the velocity increases or the speed increases, then the time gets slower. But few years before, NASA has done the practical experiment of the same concept and found the same difference whatever I have explained now. This is just an example. But now the question is, even today, we knew just a handful of things about the space. A few of our scientists' experiments has got completed. They have given a lot of theories about the universe, about the space, but practically it has not got done yet. Suppose if I do ask you a question that who was the first astronaut who went to the space? Obviously all of we know that the name would be the Yuri Gagarin, isn't it? It's known to all of us. But the thing is, if we read the Hindu mythology, if we do go and search and try to understand whatever they have written, then we will come to know that the first astronaut who went to space, the King Kukudmi, he went with his daughter. Well, let me tell you a story about the first time traveler of ancient time. The story follows a king, his daughter, and his search for his daughter's suitable husband, Revati. Revati was the only daughter of King Kukudmi. Kukudmi thought that no one could prove to be a good enough to marry his daughter. Kukudmi took Revati with him to Brahmalok, the home of Brahma, to ask the god's advice about finding a suitable husband for her. At that time, Brahma was listening to a musical performance when they arrived. So, they waited patiently until the performance get over. Once the performance got completed, the king Kukudmi explained about his problem to Lord Brahma. But the Brahma laughed at the foolishness of the king. He said that time runs in different patterns, in different planes of existence. During the time they had waited in the Brahmalok to see him, 7 Chatur Yogas had passed on earth. Everything that Kukudmi had and owned, his family, his friends, his sons, wife, his armies, his treasures, had vanished with the time that had passed. Actually, one day in Brahmalok is equal to 4.32 billion earth years. In Bhagavad Gita, there are many such examples which indicates the existence of medical science, nuclear power, time machine, time traveler, time loop in ancient time. Well, let's talk about the parallel universe or the concept of parallel universe. According to the theoretical concept of the parallel universe, the parallel universe will be of 4 types. If we talk about the first type of universe or the first type of the parallel universe, the first type will be just same as our universe. But as the universe is far and far light years away from our universe, so it is impossible to connect with that universe. So it's not possible to get any message from them or to send any message to them. Next we will talk about the second type of the parallel universe. The second type of the parallel universe is just an alternate reality of our universe. For an example, if you come to a point in your day where you find yourself torn between a choice of 2 drinks, a glass of water and a glass of juice. If in your universe or in our universe, if you choose to take a glass of water, in that second type of universe, you are going to choose the glass of juice. So you can say it is just a mirror effect of our universe. Whatever we have choose, whatever we have preferred to choose in our universe, the alternate option will be chosen at that universe. It's quite difficult, I do understand, as it is not practically proved, it's just a theory or the concept basis. So let's talk about the third type of universe. The third type of parallel universe is also related to our universe, as like first and second, where the laws of physics will be same, may be performed in different way, but the laws will be same. But if you do consider about the fourth type, then in fourth type of parallel universe, everything will be different. It could be something like the term dimension, as we are having 3 dimensions in our universe. In first and second universe, there will be 3 dimensions, that's for sure. But in the 4th dimension, 4 universe, 4th type of parallel universe, it could have 64 type of dimension. And it's already mentioned in the Hindu mythology that in parallel universe we could also have 64 type of dimensions. And in our modern world, we are just thinking about the 4th dimension, and that's also not got cleared. As already I have explained to you that the concept of parallel universe has not got proved yet practically. Till now, it's just a theoretical concept for us. But if we do think, or if we do take the consideration of the ancient people, they have already decoded the concept of the parallel universe. They have even used their advanced technology to move to the parallel universe, they have already experienced the laws of physics of the different parallel universe. This kind of examples you can get, or you can get an n number of examples in our Hindu mythology. If you do read like Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, if we go and read Ramayana, Mahabharata, you will get n number of stories that indicates the concept of the parallel universe, even the concept of the multiverse. Well, let me tell you some stories about the concept of the parallel universe or the multiverse in the second part of this video. But before I do end this video, I want you to go and search in Google the news of the floating city found in China. Few years before, or I can say in 2015, the people of China has already experienced, they have seen a floating city up on the sky. But for some time they have got confused that what is it? Is it something supernatural? What do you think? Please comment below. Is it like the parallel universe has opened their door for few seconds for our universe? Or it's just like a mirage? Although the news channel has already declared it as a mirage, but I think, it's strictly my thinking, the parallel universe has opened their door for few seconds for our universe. Please go and search in the Google. You will get the complete information about the news. Thank you. This is the end of the first part of this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Well friends, that's all for today. Let's meet in my next video. Thanks for your time. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your time.